Next, we can move to the experimentation of the wall lapping. In experimentation of the wall lapping, first we identify the wall. So the wall will be removed from the engine, and you can identify the different carbon deposition on the surface of the head of the wall, and also you can observe the different components aspects in the wall. So the specification of the wall, when you go through, so this is the head of the wall, and this is the margin part, and this shiny part is that is called the shiny part is called the face, and also this is the stem of the wall, and this is the tip of the wall. So you can observe the carbon deposition on the surface of this, and where the seating area is there, and that area, and also you can observe the different carbon deposition on the surface of the head of the wall. Now I will tell you the tools used or tools required for the wall lapping process. Firstly the carbon deposited wall, and so we are using for grinding. Firstly we can use the wall. It is carbon deposited on the head of the wall, and this is the lapping stick and wall grinding compounds. It is available in rough or coarse and fine. This is the wall grinding cutter, wall grinding wheel, so available in different sizes. So the different sizes, and this grinding wheel will be in different sizes available for the different wall size. Now we can go to the procedure of the wall lapping. In procedure, so we can take the wall, and head of the wall can be cleaned by using a diesel, and later you can clean by using a cotton waste. Next, you can take the wall grinding paste or the wall compound paste. Rough or the coarse and also the soft, both are available. So now we are taking a rough. You can rub it in this way. Then you clean by using a cotton waste. Next, we can take the smooth compound paste, grinding paste, and apply on the surface of the head again. Take out the lapping stick and firmly hold on the head part of the wall, and rub it so in this manner. Finally, you can clean by cotton waste. If sometimes the carbon deposition on the head of the wall, if not clear, so then we can also remove the carbon deposition on the surface of the head by using a process of the wall grinding, by using a process of wall grinding. So we are using the different teeths like this. So grinder cutter. So the cutter will be fixed by a rod, and there is a holder for the cutter, and to hold the cutter on the placed on the head of the wall, and firmly give the force on the surface of the head and rotate and give the force or push. So like this. Finally, after rubbing by using a wall cutter, so then you can clean by a cotton waste, and so finally the wall will be look like this. So you can observe, so this is the cleaned wall, head of the wall part. Finally, I will conclude that, so this is the way we are conducting the wall lapping experiment.